Okay, let's take a look at my handiwork. What do we got? It's still smoking hot, so we're not going to touch it. We'll get close. Let's see if I can get my finger in there without burning myself. There we go. You can see I built a little plate. Welded it in. Put the weld really thick so I can grind it down flat. Try not to take too much material off the fender wells. And then this is done. Then we just got to strip all the junk out today. Okay, YouTube, what do we have here? Engine bay is stripped. Oh, as far as I'm going to strip it. Holes are filled. Welds are dressed down. All the junk that we are not going to need or that would be in the way during painting has been removed, like the windshield wiper motor and the booster, which we're not running that booster anyway. I just cut the speedo cable. Tomorrow I'm going to get it on its feet, push it out, pressure wash the engine compartment here, Scotch brite it down, get it ready for primer and some body work. This stuff here, depending on the angle, you can't tell. Looks good, looks bad. I don't know. Looks okay from here in person, but the camera picks up different stuff. But once it's got some primer on it, we'll be able to see if it needs filler or how much filler it needs. No sweat. Hard part's done. The dirty part's done. The grinding and cutting and welding and making little bits and pieces. There's the train right on time. Once we get this sprayed Calypso green, the only thing I'm not sure is if this bar and like the Teamz parts, I may do those in something besides Calypso. I may do those in that steel it painted. It's like a really tough, supposed to be tough like a powder coat, and it's also like weld through, so if I decide to add a bracket or whatever, I don't have to sand it all down. I could just burn it in right over it. So, you know, I would do that silver color, and then do the rest of the engine compartment Calypso green. This bar also would be the steel it color, and it would kind of match the UPR K member, which is silver, and so are the control arms. That might look all right. I don't know, it's not a show car, so it doesn't really matter, but we also don't want to do all this work and wish we did it differently. We want to try to nail it down right now, do it right, and do it once. And that's all I got for right now. Hopefully before next week we'll have some paint and some primer.